Gina with WTI, and if you're tired of cranking on salt and pepper grinders in order to get that yummy seasoning, then you're gonna love this set of electric rechargeable grinders from Moriank. How awesome is it that you don't need to replace batteries for these? They're simply rechargeable, and they last for about 20 minutes before you have to recharge them. I don't know about you, but I'm only using them for a few seconds at a time, so that charge lasts a long time. You can choose from 6 different levels of coarseness. Now for pepper, I definitely like it a little bit bigger, especially when I'm putting on my salads. I want to taste that crunch. But the world is your oyster with these. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm constantly knocking things over in the kitchen, so I appreciate that this comes with a stand to put the grinders in, and it has non-slip pads on the bottom, so it's really unlikely that you're going to be able to slip and slide it all over the countertop or knock it over. You really can't go wrong with this set of grinders from Moriank, and they would make a beautiful gift for someone, and that's my point of view.